In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the trial guide for HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional. Whether you're new to HubSpot or exploring new features, this step-by-step guide will help you maneuver through the platform with ease and confidence. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to begin by accessing the trial guide. You can do this by visiting the designated website link, which will direct you straight to the trial you're interested in exploring. Once you're there, you'll be presented with the welcome page of the Sales Hub Professional trial. This page is your starting point. Now that you're on the trial guide's main page, the next step is to click on the CRM. CRM, short for Customer Relationship Management, is a core feature of HubSpot that allows you to manage all your company's interactions and relationships with potential and existing customers. By clicking on CRM, you'll unlock an array of functionalities that help your business grow by improving relationships. After you've clicked on CRM, navigating to contacts is the next order of business. You'll find the Contacts section within the CRM. Now, why Contacts? Because Contacts is the area where you view and manage all the individuals your company interacts with, be it clients, leads, or business partners. This feature is crucial for tracking communication history and ensuring everyone in your business stays connected and informed about your contacts' details and your past interactions with them. Once you're in the Contacts section, it's time to apply advanced filters. This tool is especially handy for narrowing down the list to specific categories of your contacts. For instance, if you're looking to identify contacts based on a particular sales stage or a certain geography, advanced filtering allows you to do just that, quickly and efficiently. To utilize advanced filters, simply click on the Advanced Filters button. From here, you can specify your criteria, combining various fields to pinpoint exactly the group of contacts you wish to focus on. This approach helps in segmenting contacts into more manageable lists, enabling targeted marketing and personalized follow-ups. Throughout this process, remember that HubSpot's user-friendly interface is there to support you. Take your time to explore each feature and experiment with the different options available to you. By becoming familiar with these tools, you'll be well equipped to leverage HubSpot's capabilities to enhance your business growth and customer relationships. And that's it! Following these steps will help you efficiently navigate HubSpot's Sales Hub Professional trial. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or check additional resources available in the trial guide. Thanks for following along and happy exploring!